On any plant, there is a continuous stream of operational, maintenance, and safety events occurring at all levels. It is necessary to document and keep under control all accidents, alarms, and unusual failures. With paper documentation, retrieval of information about past events is time-consuming and the possibility to analyze information nearly impossible. Moving from manual operator logbook procedures to an electronic record of operator activities approach, Symphony Plus electronic ShiftBook can bring substantial savings and advantages, allowing to easily record events, system data, and faults in one single database. Which are the main benefits of adopting Symphony Plus electronic ShiftBook? It takes care of electronically recording data, getting the maximum control of plant conditions, and managing the plant with a predictive and proactive approach. Makes it possible to conduct analysis, monitor issues, and address improvements, to facilitate shift changeovers and minimize related risks. Helps driving more consistent processes, so to save time and manpower and focus just on high-priority activities. Enables conducting historical data analysis to establish guidelines on how to improve processes. Eases sharing expertise in a unique knowledge base, so to save time and money on trainings and induction programs. Flexible on configuration. It can be customized as per specific needs with several interfaces and open forms. Symphony Plus electronic ShiftBook offers recording of both manual and automatic ShiftBook entries, allocating automatically the messages to the ongoing shift, and automating time-consuming procedures. Diagnostic functions and reports, allowing the analysis of logs and messages. Transfer of relevant ShiftBook entries to the maintenance management system, avoiding double data input. Shift handovers management, providing information about pending or outstanding work to next shift. Symphony Plus electronic ShiftBook. Start recording, analyzing, controlling, and improving your plant activities now.